In this video, we will know that how to download and install mouse keyboard driver on your Windows 10 and Windows 11. So how to install we now properly step by step in this video. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 11, Windows 10 and Windows 7. So let's start the video. So guys, open any browser on your Windows operating system, and after that guys, type here your laptop name in this search box. If you have Lenovo, type here Lenovo. If you have Dell, type here Dell. Okay. If you have HP laptop, type here HP. We have Lenovo laptop, so we type hit and press enter and click here. This is first link, Lenovo PC support. After that guys, enter your laptop serial number here. If you have enter this serial number, if you don't have, we will find it in this video. So how to find it? Click here start button and click here search option. Okay, and guys type here COMMAND command, and this is command. Click here run as administrator and enter here command WMIC BIOS get serial number. Okay, press enter from keyboard. So guys, this is your laptop serial number. Okay, this is your laptop serial number. Select and press enter this and enter here. Paste here. This is your, and click here arrow. So guys, after that click here manual update, select driver option. Now click on it. Select here your operating system. If you have Windows 10, select Windows 10. If you have other operating system, select. So we have Windows 10, we select 10. Okay, this is our machine, Windows 10. After that guys, find here mouse and keyboard driver here. This is your driver, your laptop driver. Click on it, and after that guys, scroll down, and this is your laptop driver. Okay, now make sure this is recommended and click here download. After that guys, after download it, it will find under download folder. So launch download folder. This is your download folder. Now delete other driver. Now click here and run as administrator. Now guys, install it. Click here OK. Click here next. Select this option and click here next. Don't change here, just click next. Install. Now guys, this is installed successfully. Now click here next. Now wait for some time. Now guys, click here this finish button. After that guys, restart your machine. After restart, check your problem is fixed or not. So guys, I hope your problem is fixed here. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.